Hello guys. Hello, good evening everybody.
Good evening, bro Koko.
Good evening, Bro Abdul Halim and friends. All right, how are you all?
I'm great.
I'm fine, thank you. And
That's
you?
very good. Okay, so I have to say sorry, yeah, I come late around 2 or 3 minutes, but yeah, don't worry guys, I'll not cut your time, yeah, your time still an hour. It's like usual, we can end the class more than at 9. Nanti kita bisa selesai kelas lebih dari jam 9 ya, it's like usual everybody. Okay, so all yeah, I want to tell you that we are on a third week, yeah, and we have the next level. Kita sudah ada di minggu ketiga dan kita punya level selanjutnya ya teman-teman, level lanjutan di intermediate one. Jadi bulan ketiga itu kita sudah tidak ada di level basic lagi ya. Bulan pertama yaitu basic one, bulan kedua yaitu kita sekarang ya yaitu basic two, dan nanti di bulan ketiga itu ada level intermediate one. Intermediate sudah tengah-tengah ya. Anyway guys, do you want to continue to the intermediate one?
Insyaallah, bro.
Insyaallah.
Okay, yes. Okay, if you wanna continue guys ya, kalau teman-teman mau lanjut ke intermediate one, so I think want the detailed information, you can ask the admin ya. Nanti teman-teman untuk informasi detailnya bisa tanya ke teman-teman admin ya. Atau coba guys ya, for this group, I think no following up yet ya. Masih belum ada, oh sorry, masih belum ada follow up ya dari teman-teman admin untuk grup kita. Oke, please be passionate ya. Ditunggu dulu teman-teman, akan di follow up oleh teman-teman admin atau customer service ya untuk kelas lanjutan. Dan nanti guys, kalau memang teman-teman mau lanjut ke level selanjutnya, itu ke satu admin itu aja ya. Jadi misal ada Sis Elsa gitu ya sebagai CS kelas lanjutan di bulan ketiga, daftarnya ke Sis Elsa aja ya. Mungkin teman-teman yang dulu di Basic One atau menuju ke Basic Two ini ada sister yang lain sebagai CS atau customer service-nya. Jangan ke situ ya, ke sister yang ada di grup ini aja. Soalnya jalurnya ke situ ya guys. Jadi nanti biar teman-teman tidak salah masuk kelas atau bahkan mungkin teman-teman tiba-tiba pindah jam ke jam yang lain gitu ya. Kecuali kalau teman-teman memang mau ganti jam, nah itu beda lagi. Clear guys for that one?
Bro
Clear,
Koko,
bro.
Bro Koko
Oke,
ada di
iya.
jam 9 juga?
Me jam
Ya.
9 ya I have sister.
Oh, oke.
I have. You wanna take the
Yes.
at night?
Yeah.
Oke.
I plan ikut jam 9.
Oke, but I think kayaknya kalau jam 9 kita nggak bisa ketemu sih, Sa. Really.
Oh,
Ya, soalnya di kelas jam 9 itu ada kelas reguler, itu ada 20 orang teman-teman ya. Dan di 20 orang itu kayaknya semuanya lanjut semua sama saya gitu kayaknya ya. Tapi coba ya nanti tanya ke admin, ditunggu aja following up-nya, kira-kira jam 9 bisa nggak gitu. Kalau memang mau di kelas saya nanti bisa nggak gitu ya. Oke?
oke, thank you.
Alright, oke. Atau bagi teman-teman yang mau ganti tutor juga tanya-tanya ke admin nggak masalah guys, it's okay, no problem.
Halo Bro Koko, adminnya siapa tuh, adminnya?
Iya ditunggu dulu bro ya, ditunggu dulu.
Oke.
Mungkin hari-hari ini akan di follow up, mungkin besok atau next days, nah akan di follow up. Oke?
Oke, bro.
Oke.
For next time, do you have class? What time o'clock?
Sorry bro, what time?
Untuk jam berikutnya, bro punya kelas di jam berapa untuk kelas berikutnya dari jam segini? Karena mungkin banyak bukan aku aja, mungkin banyak dari sini yang pengen ikut tutornya tetap bro gitu.
Oh really? Oh my goodness.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Are you still teach for
Really?
Are you still teach for 8 o'clock, bro?
Iya, 8 o'clock too ya. Gini guys, ini. Oke. Kalau teman-teman bareng ya, lanjut di jam 8, ada kemungkinan kita bisa satu kelas ya. Tapi kalau lanjutnya pindah ke jam 9, kemungkinan itu lebih kecil ya. Soalnya apa? Saya di jam 9 itu ada kelas level kelas reguler yang maksimal 20 orang dan itu 20-20-nya itu lanjut semuanya ya, sudah ngelis semuanya untuk satu kelas lagi, that's it ya.
Oke.
Tapi bisa jadi nanti ada 1-2 orang yang mungkin cancel atau apa gitu ya. Nanti teman-teman bisa masuk ke situ kalau memang lanjutnya ke jam 9. That's it. Tapi kalau ke jam 8 kemungkinannya lebih besar ya guys. Soalnya jam 8 kan kelas kita selesai, nah nanti bisa lanjut ke level selanjutnya. Jadi lebih besar kemungkinan. Tapi ya sekali lagi saya belum bisa janji ya guys, soalnya kalau peraturan dari speaking partner itu katanya random ya tutornya. Kayak di basic 1 ke basic 2, teman-teman ada yang mungkin dulu sama saya dan ada yang tidak kan ya? Yes or
Ada.
no?
Iya.
Yes.
Nah,
Basic 1 and basic
Iya.
2 tetap sama bro.
Saya di Bro Koko juga.
Oh gitu ya, Sislina ya. Ada beberapa
Iya.
yang mungkin dulu sama saya, tapi ada beberapa yang pisah ya, Sislina.
Iya.
Nah itu kalau Sislina tahu yang pisah itu, beberapa masih kontak saya, bro bisa ikut kelasnya nggak? Nah di situ saya nggak bisa apa-apa guys ya, soalnya kelasnya sudah jalan dan saya hanya bilang mungkin next level ya, bro, sis, bisa jadi kita ketemu lagi.
Sebelumnya berarti nggak bisa request?
To be honest, no. Kayaknya kalau private ya, kelas private baru bisa request. That's it. Oke?
Private sama
Oke,
Bro
Bro.
That's it. Okay. Alright ya. So everybody just enjoy. I really hope that you don't stop your learning ya. Teman-teman jangan berhenti belajar. Maksud saya gini guys ya. Kalau teman-teman satu kali ya berhenti belajar bahasa Inggris, itu mau mulai lagi tuh sulit guys.
Iya.
That's right.
Nah, that's right. Jadi karena saya merasakannya ya, saya pernah berhenti gitu ya 1 bulan 2 bulan. Mulai lagi tuh kayak aduh, ini dulu
Males,
gimana ya?
lazy.
Nah, that's
Yes.
it, oke? Jadi kalau saran saya, teman-teman lanjut terus ya, soalnya bahasa itu harus dipraktekkan setiap saat. That's it. Jadi berkelanjutan, like that one. Oke, continue ya guys. Nanti ditunggu aja. Teman admin akan follow up dan nanti ke satu admin itu di grup kita.
Oke.
Clear?
Thank you, Bro, for your
Welcome.
information.
Welcome everybody. Okay, all yeah. So today it's time for us for going to the speaking. After yesterday we talk about grammar ya. Kemarin grammar, sekarang speaking teman-teman. And also listening guys. Ada listening juga untuk hari ini ya. Are you ready everybody?
I'm ready.
Okay. Repeat after me ya for the topic today. Untuk topik hari ini yaitu household chores. Repeat after me guys.
Household chores.
Household chores. Oke, artinya pekerjaan rumah tangga gitu ya. Seperti menyapu guys. Menyapu bahasa Inggrisnya apa guys?
Sweep the floor.
Oke, sweep atau sweep the floor. Oke. Mengepel apa itu guys? Mengepel.
Mop the floor.
Mencuci piring.
Wash the dishes.
Washing dishes.
Wash the dishes. Mencuci baju.
Laundry.
Your
laundry. Clear your
Do laundry. Ya.
Laundry.
Do laundry. That's it. Oke. Menyetrika guys.
ironing.
Iron the clothes.
Iron ya.
Iron the clothes.
It's not Iron Man bukan ya. Iron. Iya, iron itu besi ya. Tapi kalau dijadikan kata kerja artinya bukan membesikan gitu bukan ya. Artinya menyetrika.
Setrika zaman dulu kan besi itu, bro.
Oh gitu bro. Oke. Sama kayak water ya guys ya. What is water everybody? Water is air. Tapi kalau water in the plants menyiram tanaman. Gitu ya. Jadi kalau jadi kata benda air, kalau jadi kata kerja menyiram. Okay, good. So yeah, and the other ones. Okay, we are going to talk about it, but now let's listen to a conversation, guys. Sekarang silakan kita praktek listening dulu. Do you like listening, guys?
Yes.
I like.
Listening is very easy ya, guys. Listening.
No.
Listening is fun, right?
Kayak siaran di
Yes.
masjid innalillahi jadi nggak denger gitu.
Oh my goodness. All right. Okay, so listening is very fun, everybody. Yeah, just enjoy. You can get the
Yes.
point of the listening, and then yeah, you can answer the questions. Yeah.
Nah.
Okay, so for the listening today, it will be about this one, guys. I need to share the screen. I need to share the sound, and I need to start with you. Can you see this all? Or still
Not
loading?
yet.
Atau masih
Not
loading
yet.
ya?
Still
Not
loading.
yet. Not
Black.
yet.
Gotcha, all right. Wait. Hold on. How about now, guys? Can you?
Yes.
Yes.
Good.
I can see.
And how about the
Listen to
audio?
the conversations and the questions with who.
Can you hear the audio?
We can
Sudah
hear
muncul
that.
audionya juga?
Yes.
Yes,
I can hear.
I can hear.
All right, okay. So I need to explain now, and please pay attention. And yeah, after this, you need to answer. Okay. Household chores, pekerjaan rumah tangga ya. Listening comprehension. Listen to the conversations and the questions with who. Check the chores each person does. Jadi teman-teman silakan mendengarkan percakapan di sini ya. There are 4 families. Ada 4 keluarga ya. The first one, the second one, the third, and also the last one. Okay. So the question with who. Ya, jadi nanti teman-teman detailnya adalah check the chores each person does. Siapa dan melakukan apa gitu ya. Misalnya untuk keluarga yang pertama di sini ada she, dia sendiri as speaker ya sebagai pembicaranya, and then her husband, her son, her daughter. Nah, her husband suaminya, her son anak laki-lakinya, her daughter anak perempuannya. Jadi siapa dan melakukan apa gitu ya. Misalnya she wash the dishes misalnya. Silakan nanti dicatat ya. And then her husband, misalnya clean the rooms. So this one. Her son, maybe do laundry or does laundry. And then her daughter, misalnya anak perempuannya justru nggak ngapa-ngapain ya, do nothing atau does nothing. Silakan ya teman-teman dijawab untuk 4 family ya atau 4 families here. Okay? It will be played twice ya, 2 kali saja teman-teman diputarkan, and you need to get the answer. Start from now. Let's go.
Listen to the conversations and the questions with who. Check the chores each person does. Conversation 1.
So, who does the household chores in your family?
We all do. My husband washes the dishes, my son does the laundry, my daughter makes dinner, and I clean the house.
Conversation 2.
Who does the chores in your family?
Well, I wash the dishes, and my brother does the laundry.
And what about your sister?
Oh, she never does chores.
Conversation 3.
Who usually does the chores? You or your husband?
Me. I do everything.
Really?
I get up. He doesn't. I make breakfast. I do the laundry.
Really?
And in the evening, I come home, I make dinner, and he watches TV.
Conversation 4.
Do you do household chores?
Of course. Actually, we all do in my family.
That's great. Who does what?
Well, my wife usually makes dinner, and I wash the dishes. On weekends, I do the laundry, and she cleans the house. And our son washes the dishes on weekdays.
Now listen again and check your work. Conversation 1.
So, who does the household chores in your family?
We all do. My husband washes the dishes, my son does the laundry, my daughter makes dinner, and I clean the house.
Conversation 2.
Who does the chores in your family?
Well, I wash the dishes, and my brother does the laundry.
And what about your sister?
Oh, she never does chores.
Conversation 3.
Who usually does the chores? You or your husband?
Me. I do everything.
Really?
I get up. He doesn't. I make breakfast. I do the laundry.
Really?
And in the evening, I come home, I make dinner, and he watches TV.
Conversation 4.
Do you do household chores?
Of course. Actually, we all do in my family.
That's great. Who does what?
Well, my wife usually makes dinner, and I wash the dishes. On weekends, I do the laundry, and she cleans the house. And our son washes the dishes on weekdays.
All right, guys, that's all. So it's time for me to check your answer. Let me know, guys, about your answers, yeah? Start from the first family here. Who does what? Ya, siapa dan melakukan apa? Start from she. What does she do, guys?
Clean the house.
Clean the house. And how about her husband?
Wash the dishes.
Wash the dishes. Her son?
Do laundry.
Okay. Alright, okay. Her son itu seorang laki-laki kan, guys? Kan he ya, berarti bukan do laundry tapi does laundry.
Yes.
Simple present ya. Her daughter?
Makes dinner.
Makes
Karena she jadi tambah s ya, makes dinner. Let's check, guys, ya, the first
Listen to the
family.
My husband washes.
Chores in your family.
1.
So, who does the household chores in your family?
We all do.
We all do, ya?
Yeah, we
Yeah,
all
we all
do.
That's good.
My husband washes the dishes. My son does the laundry.
My husband washes the dishes. My son does the laundry.
Yes.
My daughter makes dinner, and I clean the house.
Very good. Okay. That's nice, guys. Yeah, that's the first family. And how about the second one? What does he do?
Wash the dishes.
He was the teacher.
Washes the dishes. Okay. And his brother?
Does the laundry.
Laundry. Okay. And how about his sister?
Nothing.
Do anything.
Does chores.
Okay. Karena dia perempuan berarti does nothing gitu ya.
Does nothing.
Conversation 2.
Tidak melakukan apapun.
Who does the chores in your family?
Well, I wash the dishes, and my brother does the laundry.
Okay, I wash the dishes and my brother does the laundry. Okay, good.
What about your sister?
Oh, she never does chores.
She never does chores. Okay. Good. Thank you. And how about the
Conversation
third,
3.
guys? The third conversation, what does she do?
Everything.
Everything.
He does everything.
Okay, she does everything. And how about her husband?
No do anything.
Does nothing.
Does nothing ya. Does nothing. Okay. Does nothing. Nothing itu kan tidak ada ya, guys. Melakukan. Berarti tidak ada yang dilakukan.
Betul.
Good. Let's see. Kayaknya tadi
Who usually
cuma
does the
watching
chores?
TV
You
ya.
or your husband?
I do everything.
That's nothing because
I get up.
lazy.
He doesn't. I make breakfast. I do the laundry.
Really?
And in the evening, I come home, I make dinner, and he watches TV.
He watches TV. Yeah, so that's good. She does everything, but her husband does nothing. How come, guys? Kok bisa nih ya?
Because lazy.
Just watch.
Patriarki.
Oh, see.
Patriarch.
Okay. All right. The last one, guys. Yeah. So what does he do in the last family?
He wash the dishes.
In the laundry,
clean the house,
and laundry.
Wash the dishes and?
Does laundry on weekend.
Okay. My question is he. What does he do?
Clean the laundry and clean the house.
Okay, ada yang jawab clean house, do laundry, wash dishes. It's okay, guys. Ada yang
Ada dua deh.
ada dua. Oke, apa dan apa?
Laundry on the weekend. Laundry and clean the house.
Okay, ada yang wash dishes, clean the house. Okay, let's see after this. Okay. All right. His wife, how about his wife?
Make
His
dinner,
wife make dinner.
clean the
Dinner
house,
and
and make the house.
Clean the house.
Dinner and clean the house.
Clean the house. So there are two people clean the house here.
no.
No, just
The
one.
clean the house just the husband.
Just the husband.
Husband.
Yes.
No, the wife.
Oh, okay. Let's see. Setelah ini kita buktikan ya. Alright. Okay. And how about his
In the
son?
house, just the wife.
Wash the
This
dishes.
is the dish.
Washes the dishes and
On the weekdays.
okay, only washes the dishes.
Yes.
Okay, let's see ya. Let's see everybody. Kita cek ya. Let's check.
Conversation 4.
Do you do household chores?
Of course. Actually, we all do in my family.
That's great. Who does what?
Well, my wife usually makes dinner, and I wash the dishes.
My wife usually makes dinner,
And
and I wash the dishes.
Wash the dishes.
Okay. Let's check again.
On weekends, I do the laundry, and she cleans the house.
On the weekend, I do the laundry, and she cleans the house. Okay. So who cleans the house, guys?
his wife.
His wife, yeah.
Wife.
Okay. And the last one?
And our son washes the dishes on weekdays.
And our son, gitu ya. And our
This
son
on
washes
weekdays.
the dishes on
This
weekdays.
weekday.
Very good. Okay,
Okay.
clear enough all?
Yeah. Enough.
Thank you so much. So there are 4 chores ya. Kita boleh bilang household chores atau disingkat aja chores gitu, nggak masalah ya guys.
Chores.
There are 4 chores. Berarti ada 4 pekerjaan rumah di sini ya. Apa aja guys? Wash the dishes,
Wash the dishes. Clean the house.
clean the house,
Do
do
laundry.
laundry, and
Dinner.
Make
Make
dinner.
and okay, make dinner. Yeah, make dinner ya, or make food like that one.
Yes.
Okay.
Does
For the last one,
nothing.
do nothing is not chores ya.
Yes.
Do nothing
Yes.
bukan ya. That's it. Apalagi yang watching TV ya.
That's so lazy time.
That's it. Okay, thank you all. Is it clear?
Clear.
Good. Listening is easy ya.
Very easy.
Very easy. Good. Okay, back to the slides that we have, and it's about chores or household chores. Kita kembali ke slide kita dan tentang chores ya, pekerjaan rumah. There are so many guys actually ya, banyak sekali pekerjaan rumah. I want you to repeat after me guys ya. Start from the first one is clean off the table. Can you guys?
Clean
off
off the
table.
table.
Clean off the table.
Clean off the
Clean off the
table.
table.
It's not table but table.
Table.
Apa tuh artinya guys? Clean off the table.
Membersihkan meja.
Membersihkan meja. Clean off the table. Good. Yang kedua ada clean up the room.
Clean up the room.
Clean up the room. What is clean up the room?
Bersihkan ruangan.
Bersihkan ruangan. Di sini ada sama-sama clean ya, tapi satunya clean off, satunya clean up. Ada yang tahu bedanya apa guys? Okay, like this one. Saya izin mute sebentar ya. Oke, clean off itu membersihkan sesuatu yang datar ya dan nggak luas guys. Kayak meja itu kan seluas-luasnya meja ya tetap nggak luas ya guys. Nah itu clean off. Jadi kita bersihkan sesuatu yang datar, entah meja, entah cermin, nah itu clean off. Oke, sedangkan clean up itu membersihkan lebih luas ruangannya dan lebih apa ya kita bilang ya, lebih bersih gitu. Itu clean up. Understand everybody? Good. Jadi
Yes,
misalnya
understand.
membersihkan ruang tamu, living room, itu berarti clean off apa
Clean
clean?
up.
Clean up
Nah,
the living room.
oke. Good, clean up ya. How about mirror, membersihkan cermin?
Clean
Berarti
up. Clean up.
Clean up.
very good ya. Good, itu bedanya. The next guys, dust ya, the next dust the furniture. Can you guys?
Dust the
Furniture.
Artinya apa guys? Membersihkan.
Bersihkan
Debu.
perabotan.
Perabotan.
Oke, membersihkan debu perabotan. Padahal dust itu ya debunya itu ya. Oke, jadi dust itu debu kalau jadi kata benda, tapi kalau jadi kata kerja, dust itu yang membersihkan debu. Furniture itu perabotan. Next, fix up the apartment.
Fix up the
Fix up the apartment. Good. Memperbaiki.
Tempat tinggal.
Ya, memperbaiki tempat tinggal.
Tinggal.
Ya, memperbaiki ya. Berarti ada sesuatu yang rusak maksudnya di situ ya guys. Kalau tinggalnya di rumah boleh diganti nggak? Fix up the house ya, boleh aja guys. Fix up the house. Fix up the house, gitu ya. And then ini
This is similar with renovation.
No, it's different. Beda. Kalau fix up itu ada sesuatu yang rusak ya guys.
Kalau renov,
Nah, kalau renov kan nggak harus rusak ya. Kayak pengen it's more beautiful, right?
Okay.
Tapi kalau ini ada yang rusak. Fix up itu kan memperbaiki. Ada sesuatu yang broken. Nah, something that's broken. Good. And then the next ya, ini bacanya jangan suit tapi suit. Hang up the suit. Kan ini kan?
hang up the suit.
Nah, sekali lagi jangan suit ya. Nah, suit. Hang up the suit. The suit. What is the meaning of?
Membersihkan kasur, menjemur pakaian.
Menjemur pakaian. Hang up itu kan apa guys? Menggantung. Menggantung. Good. Menjemur ya, menggantung. Next.
How about hang up the clothes?
Hang up the clothes okay, hang up the suit okay. Tapi gini ya guys. Biasanya kalau apa ya kita bilang seperti ini kan frase ya. Ini sudah menyatu jadi satu dan ini sudah kebiasaan kayak bilang hang up the suit. Contoh kayak nyuci piring ya. Apa tuh nyuci piring tadi? Wash the
Dishes.
Boleh nggak kita bilang wash the plates?
Bisa.
Ya, boleh aja ya, tapi kalau bule itu biasa dengan wash the dishes gitu.
Dishes termasuk pekerjaannya gitu istilahnya ya.
Padahal dish itu artinya kan hidangan ya guys. Hidangan. Tapi bukan berarti mencuci hidangan itu tidak ya guys. Nah, itu istilah untuk cuci piring. Jadi untuk menjemur pakaian boleh nggak hang up the clothes. Ya, sebenarnya boleh aja ya, bisa dipahami. Tapi kalau bule sendiri biasanya hang up the suit.
Not like native, right?
Nah, itu. Jadi bisa dipahami tapi bukan 100% Inggris gitu. Bisa dipahami ya, guys? Nah, itu.
Local.
Ya, lokal. Jadi bahasa Inggris
Lokal.
yang agak dipaksa gitu. Oke ya. Sama kayak heart apa itu heart hati-hati nggak bisa juga ya, be careful ya. Tapi benar juga bisa diartikan tapi kurang Inggris sih itu ya, suit yang benar. Next, make the bed. Can you guys?
Make the bed.
Make the bed is
merapikan tempat tidur.
merapikan tempat tidur. Yes, merapikan tempat tidur ya. Ini juga jangan diartikan satu-satu ya. Make itu membuat ya. Membuat kasur lah gitu. Oh ya tidak.
Coach, kalau ada yang bilang begini, Coach, badanku kurang enak, tapi ada yang bilang my body is not delicious.
Nah, itu. So it needs more spicy, berarti harus spices ya, harus banyak bumbunya. Ya, tidak itu agak dipaksa gitu ya. Nanti saya juga pernah ya kayak gitu, ada yang bilang ayam geprek itu chicken smackdown. Nah, nggak bisa bro, nggak bisa kayak gitu, nggak bisa sih ayam geprek jadi chicken smackdown, itu enggak ya. Ya ayam geprek ya, baru kita jelaskan Boris ayam
The
geprek.
hot is not public.
Nah itu panasnya nggak.
Ramom.
Nah that's it, oke. Itu ya, jadi ada istilahnya sendiri guys, seperti ini, idiom, peribahasa, itu harus teman-teman hafalkan. The next one, mop the
floor.
Ngepel lantai. Mop itu mengepel ya.
Ya.
Lantai.
Mop,
Good.
mop,
Mop bro, bukan mop tapi
the
mop.
floor.
Ya, mop. That's it.
Mop the floor.
Good. And then pick up the clothes. Artinya mengangkat.
Pick up the clothes.
Padahal pick up itu kan menjemput ya.
Ya.
Pick up
Pick
the
up the
suit.
suits. Good. Kalau menjemur tadi hang up the suit, tapi kalau mengangkat ya pick up the clothes.
Pick up the clothes.
Okay.
Pick up the clothes.
Bro, kalau mengantar apa bro?
Mengantar itu drop off bro. Drop off ya.
Drop
Yang
off.
kemarin ada ya itu ya kata itu ya.
Ada.
Mengantar anak.
Ya, drop my child off. That's it. Okay, the next one, put away the books. Can you guys?
Put away the book.
Nah, put away. Atau boleh dibaca jadi satu ya, put away. Put away. Ya, merapikan buku ya, put away the books. Good. And then set the table. Set the table. And the table is menata. Table ya, jangan table tapi table.
Table.
Good. And then vacuum the floor.
Vacuum the floor.
Vacuum the floor. Nah, the meaning is menyedot debu
lantai.
Vacuum ya, menyedot debu. And then the next, wash the clothes.
Wash the clothes.
Wash the clothes is
Mencuci pakaian.
atau kata lainnya apa tadi? Do laundry. Okay. Kalau wash the clothes itu bisa manually ya guys, secara manual gitu. Itu wash the clothes. Tapi kalau pakai mesin cuci, do laundry. Kita ke sebelah kanan ada polish the furniture.
Polish the furniture.
Ya, polish itu apa ya? Mempelitur, memoles ya, memoles perabotan. Good. Polish ya. Okay, the next, nah ini jangan wedding ya, tapi weeding the garden. Weeding the garden is menyiangi tanaman. Menyiangi ya, do you know menyiangi tanaman?
Mencabutin rumput.
Ya, mencabut ya. Yes. Jadi weeding the garden itu kayak mencabut rumput liar gitu teman-teman. Tapi sampai ke akar ya. Kalau hanya memotong itu namanya cutting ya. Cutting the plant. Ya, cutting the plants. Tapi kalau ini weeding the garden. Okay. The next, water the plants is
Menyiram tanaman.
and then feed the pet. Can you guys?
Feed the pet.
Feed the pet.
Beri makan hewan peliharaan.
Ya, feed itu memberi makan ya. Pet itu hewan peliharaan. Sebenarnya nggak harus hewan juga ya guys. Maksudnya memberi makan anak. Nah itu juga feed ya sebutannya. Feed
My children.
Ya, feed the child gitu. Tapi ya kebetulan di sini ada kata pet ya, berarti hewan peliharaan. Kemudian, nah ini bacanya jangan iron ya, tapi iron.
Menyetrika pakaian.
And then the next one, sweep up. Sweep up the mess is
Menyapu.
Menyapu.
So the mess itu bukan mess ruangan, mess itu bukan ya guys. Mess ini
Berantakan.
ya sesuatu yang berantakan, kotoran gitu ya.
Ya.
That's mess. Biasanya kita sebut messy kan gitu ya. It's
Yeah.
messy.
Ronaldo.
Messi Ronaldo bro ya. Alright. Okay, messy is like sesuatu yang berantakan, kotor gitu ya.
Yes.
The next one, take out the trash. Can you guys?
Buang sampah.
Buang
Buang
sampah.
sampah.
Atau ada istilah lainnya ya, yaitu throw out the garbage.
Throw out the garbage.
Throw out the garbage.
Garbage.
What is the meaning of?
Buang sampah.
Buang sampah.
Jadi boleh take out the trash, boleh throw out the garbage ya. They are same ya, sama aja. Okay, clear enough everybody?
I want to ask.
Oh, there is question. Okay, please bro.
Sweep up the mess. Can we say clean up the mess?
Clean up the mess, all right. We can bro, we can. But clean up is more ya. Kalau sweep up itu kan menyapu aja ya. Cuman kalau clean up itu berarti benar-benar lebih bersih lagi ya. Bisa menyapu, mengepel ya, mengelap. Nah itu dia. Jadi kalau clean up itu lebih bersih lagi gitu.
General ya.
Yeah, that's more general. Tapi kalau sweep up kan ya, that's the specific one ya. Lebih spesifik. Oke, Bro Ricky.
How it sweep up the floor.
Sweep up the floor. Oke, sweep up the floor. It's okay. Sweep up the floor menyapu lantai gitu ya. Like that.
Bro.
It's okay, sister.
I want to ask
Okay.
about
Yeah.
the second word, bro.
Second word. Okay, please.
The word is clean up the room. How about we clean up the motorcycle? Is that true?
Clean up the motorcycle. I think no, bro. I think it's not clean up ya. Kalau gini guys, kalau clean itu membersihkan, tapi kalau clean up berarti benar-benar bersih dan luas gitu guys. Biasanya kalau clean up itu kayak ruangan gitu.
So how
Kalau
about
kayak
clean off.
the motorcycle?
iya, kalau kayak motor itu lebih ke clean aja ya
off.
guys. I clean my
clean.
motorcycle.
Okay, thank you, bro.
Clean the cycle.
Clean the cycle.
Wash motorcycle.
Wash my motorcycle. Wash bisa ya.
Wash ya.
Bahkan teman-teman membersihkan jendela,
my
membersihkan jendela itu bisa dengan kata wash ya guys. I wash the window.
Wash the window.
Yes.
Dulu di basic one ada listening kan, ada ingat di satu audio itu bilangnya I wash the window, I wash the apa itu ya?
Iya.
Nah itu ya wash. Jadi ya wash itu ya mencuci, membersihkan. Begitu juga dengan clean ya, membersihkan. Tapi kalau clean up
I wash my face.
I wash my face. That's it.
Yes, wash my face.
How about take out the trash and throw out the garbage?
They are same, sis. They are same. You can choose which one that you want to use. Ini sama aja ya, dua yang terakhir. Take out the trash and throw out the garbage.
Okay, bro.
Clean? Oh, sorry. Everybody clear?
Okay.
Okay, ya guys. Now, because sometimes maybe not all the question. Oh yeah, Bro Paiman, you wanna say something? Nothing. Okay.
Aku lagi belajar.
Alright. Okay ya, everybody. So for today, just 4 questions, it's fine ya. Sebenarnya ada 5 pertanyaan, tapi satunya saya eliminasi karena mirip banget pertanyaannya ya. Like, what is your responsibility? What is something you wanna do ya? I think 4 questions, it's fine. Silahkan dipraktekkan teman-teman. The first one, what chores? Langsung chores boleh ya, nggak perlu pakai household gitu, nggak masalah. What chores are your responsibility and when do you usually do it? Oke, di-clearkan dulu ya teman-teman. Paham ya pertanyaan pertama ini?
Paham.
Good ya. Pekerjaan rumah apa yang merupakan tanggung jawab? Dan kapan kamu biasanya melakukannya? Maybe in the morning or at noon, in the afternoon, at night, yeah, please. And then which chores don't you like to do it? Harusnya don't you like to do it. Which chores don't you like to do? And why? Do you understand this part, guys?
Ya.
Yes.
Okay. I think I need to change ya. Do you not like to do? Mungkin saya langsung ganti aja. Don't. Yang benar gini. Don't you like to
Don't
do?
you
Nah,
like to do?
Oke,
Okay.
ini namanya negatif interrogatif ya. Which chores don't you like to do and why? Okay. And then the next one, what is something you hate doing when you get home? Nah, apa sesuatu yang
What is something? Apa sesuatu yang kamu
kamu benci ya?
ya
Ketika
benci
kamu
untuk dilakukan
benci untuk
ketika kamu di rumah.
Nah, ketika kamu pulang gitu. Ada nggak? Kalau ada ya dikasih tahu, kalau tidak nothing gitu ya.
Yeah.
Nothing itu ya tidak ada ya, nothing.
Nothing.
And the last one ya, yang terakhir, how long do you think you could live without a maid or assistant or someone to help you in the house?
Berapa lama kamu pikir
seberapa
kamu bisa
lama?
hidup tanpa pembantu atau seorang yang
Iya.
asisten rumah tangga?
Ya, berapa lama kamu pikir kamu bisa ya hidup tanpa seorang pembantu atau asisten ya?
rumah tangga.
Nah, atau orang yang membantumu di rumah. Atau teman-teman memang sudah bisa ya, you can. So you can tell.
As long as I live.
Okay ya. So, guys, just 4 questions, but I really hope that you can tell in detail ya. Dengan 4 pertanyaan ini, tapi teman-teman saya harap speak up ya. Jadi detail gitu, tidak hanya yes no, tapi ada penjelasan setelahnya. Oke?
Yes, no.
Are you ready all for this practice?
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
You have time 15 to 20 minutes, yeah, the maximum 20 minutes. So one question, it can be in 5 minutes. Let's go, have a nice practicing and good luck to all of you. See you all. Enjoy.
Okay, bro. Hi, hello.
Tutur kata terucap.
Halo guys, halo
Hi, bro.
Francis.
Yeah.
Halo.
Okay, have you finished your?
Yes, we finished.
That's good. The 4 questions, but the long answer, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah. All right. Yeah. Again, guys. Yeah. The good conversation, the good speaking is when you can follow the flow. That's it. Okay. When you can speak, it's not really textbook. That's better than textbook. Thank you all. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Household chores ya. Sekali lagi kita boleh bilang household chores, cuman chores itu aja ya. Tapi
Chores.
C-nya tetap C ya guys, jangan dibaca jadi K ya. Chores. That's it. Chores. Alright. Nah, itulah uniknya bahasa Inggris ya. Kadang-kadang C dibaca C, kadang K, kadang S.
It's difficult.
Nah, that's it. Okay. Jangankan itu ya guys, kadang satu kata ada 2 huruf yang sama itu pun juga bacanya beda ya. For example, contohnya ini nih, gorgeous. Apa tuh artinya gorgeous guys? Tuh, bacanya gorgeous. Gorgeous tuh menawan ya. G yang depan tetap G kan, gorgeous. Tapi G yang tengah jadi G. Gorgeous. Harusnya kalau depan G ya tengah ya G gorgeous, tapi nggak gitu ya. Gorgeous. Makanya kita harus banyak hafalan. Oke guys.
Oke, bro.
Oke, hi. Iya. Please bro.
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
The word gorgeous is say for man or woman.
Woman. I think actually not only woman, men also ya guys. Bisa tapi biasanya untuk performance. Untuk performance everybody. Nah, you're so gorgeous misalnya. Mungkin contoh setelah tampil ya, that's gorgeous.
You look gorgeous. I know.
Yeah, that's it. Okay. Gorgeous. Nah, itu ya.
Mr. Paiman is gorgeous.
No.
He is ya. He is.
Mr. Paiman is handsome.
Abdul.
Yeah.
Okay, that's you ya. Bro Paiman. Okay. Ya. So the main point guys. Jadi poin utamanya sekali lagi ya kita harus banyak hafalan ya, hafalan kosakata, dipahami cara bacanya dan ya diaplikasikan dengan banyak prakteknya. Oke,
Oke, bro.
Thank you guys. Untuk besok materi kita adalah tentang agreement and disagreement ya. Agreement and disagreement. Sorry. Agreement and
like what, bro?
That's it.
Agreement
itu apa sih guys?
Persetujuan.
Kalau disagreement
Tidak setuju.
Nah, besok kita akan pelajari secara detail tentang agreement and disagreement. Oke? Thank you all. Thank you for today. See you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Assalamualaikum.
Hello everybody.
Hello.
Bro Paiman.
Siapa ya?
Bro Paiman
Yang tinggal di Bekasi
again.
siapa ya? Who is in Bekasi?
Aku.
Cinta.
Erna. Do
Maybe
you want go to Bekasi?
dalam waktu dekat ini buat tanggal 14 kak, 11 kayaknya saya mau ke Bekasi 4 hari.
Bekasi, Cibitung.
What for? What work or holiday?
Meeting. Meeting
Okay.
about the farming, organic farming. And then I will go to the Pasuruan for this too.
Oh, where Bekasi? Bekasi mana? Bekasi mana?
I don't know.